Is this recording? Yes, it is. Okay. Hey, Squishy Closet. This is a video suggestion idea for the 1,000 subscriber contest. And, what I think you should do is a squishy experiment, but not with all of your squishies, like, maybe like 5 of your most squishiest squishies, and post a video on YouTube, and I think that would be really cool, because I would watch it, and like it, and comment. So, yeah. I'm, I'm good. Yeah. And I did order from you one time. I'm not gonna say the name. But yeah. Bye.